If you've never cooked with lamb tongue before, don't let it intimidate you. It's actually one of the most delicious and underrated cuts. To get started, clean the lamb tongues really well. Trim any loose membrane and rub them with half a lemon. Place them into a pot, cover with water and bring to the boil for about 5 minutes. Then drain and rinse. Now into the pressure cooker they go with onion, garlic, black peppercorns, salt, a cinnamon stick, celery, carrot, parsley, and a couple strips of lemon peel. Cover with fresh water and pressure cook for 30 minutes. While the lamb cooks, prepare the other components of the dish. Cut the Lebanese bread into pieces and place onto an oven tray. Drizzle with olive oil, a sprinkle of sumac, and bake until golden and crisp. Now make the yogurt sauce. Into a bowl add plain yogurt, a little water, crushed garlic, tahini, cumin, and a pinch of salt. Mix until smooth and creamy and place it in the fridge until you're ready. Once the lamb has cooked, let the pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Strain the cooking liquid and keep that broth. We're using it next. For the chickpeas, add your drained canned chickpeas to a saucepan with some of the warm lamb broth. Bring it to a gentle simmer. While the tongues are still warm, peel away the outer skin. It should slide straight off. Then shred or slice the meat into bite-sized pieces. Then mash a small amount of the chickpeas with the back of a spoon to make it creamy. Now add the cinnamon, cumin, tahini, and some salt and pepper to taste. Add the remaining chickpeas and stir through that shredded lamb tongue. A little bit of the broth. Mix everything together and let it warm through for a few minutes. Now it's time to assemble. Start with your crispy pita bread. Spoon over the warm chickpeas and lamb. Add a generous layer of garlic yogurt. To finish, melt ghee and toast your pine nuts and slivered almonds until golden. Add Aleppo pepper right at the end and take it off the heat. Top with the toasted nuts, chopped parsley and some pomegranate seeds. And that's Fattet El Sannat, warm, creamy, crunchy and packed with flavour. The lamb tongue becomes so tender and rich, and paired with the chickpeas and yogurt, it's just beautiful. If you make this recipe, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear how it turned out, and the full recipe with all the ingredients and measurements is in the description below.